Here I have Nokia 6 and let me show you how to easily hard reset this device, so how to wipe all data on the following smartphone. And in order to do it, let me use the Nokia settings. So at the very beginning, let's just find the settings icon. The settings icon is right here, let's tap it. Then let's scroll down through this list and let's find and select the backup and reset. Let's choose it right here. Select factory data reset. Let's read the information about the following process and choose reset phone. If you are sure that you want to accomplish the hard reset operation on this device, and if you would like to erase all personal data on your phone, let's choose erase everything. And right now the device is restoring the factory state of the device. Let's wait until the whole operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, as you can see, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset operation is done. Now you may start easily activate and use your device. So that's it, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.